Hey guys, welcome back with another strange video. Guys, in this video we will discuss that when you try to download or install any app in your app store, you may face a problem that this Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes store. So tap review to sign in, then review your account information. So how can you fix it? So guys, there are two ways to fix this problem. First method is, guys, you may just click here on review, and guys, you may change your country, in which country you lives, and then guys, you may check your problem will be fixed. The second method is, guys, you may just go back and you may just open the settings of your iPhone or iPad and click here on your Apple account. So click here, guys, and here is the option of media and purchases, and here is the option of view account. So you may click here on view account, and you may just wait for some second, and guys, you may change your country or region from here. So click here on country region. So click here, guys, and you may select that country where you live. So this interface will be open, guys. Here the option of change country or region. So if you live in USA, you may select United States, or if you live in either country, you may select that one. I am selecting United States from here, so you may change your country or region. So this interface will be open, guys. Here you may write your payment method. If you don't want to add, you may select none. Then you may write your first name, last name, and you may write your city. So you may check. I am putting fake one. You have to put your original. So you may write your state and zip code of that state. Then you may write your phone number. Then guys, you may click here on next, and you may just wait. So let's check, guys. So your country region will be updated. Now guys, you may open any app and you may check. You can download your apps easily. So for example, if you want to download this app, you can check, guys, you can download any app from your app store and your problem will be fixed. So let's check, guys, our problem has been fixed. So by all these methods, you can fix it very easily. So this is the video, guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.